Hey guys, what's up? It's Lit Yachty Game on Roblox. Today I'm bringing you a video about how to get free coins at Subway Surface. So first you're gonna need, of course, with school supplies. Slow down. Need Subway Surface, right? Alright, then go to Google, type in Lucky Patcher. Alright, it's gonna right there, Lucky Patcher. Then you're gonna click on the first one or anyone. No. The one that says, oh, never mind, wait. Not that one, the one it won't harm because it's just part of what it says, so it won't harm. Because you need to turn on the other thing, so okay. Okay, and then I'm gonna tell you what is gonna show up to you if you don't unclick this. Look. I'll show you what it says. Where is it? Okay, I think it's here somewhere. I'm not sure. Security, about device. So it's probably at sound. I don't know where it's at, so I'm gonna keep looking. Wait. Oh, I found it. Security. So you want to do is unclick that and unclick that. So you click that. May be harmful to other person than by tapping okay, you'll be there. Don't worry, it won't harm you. Trust me, it won't. So unclick all of them. Alright, then trust me guys, I'm a professional at this. I know what see. So oh yeah. Alright. So when you download it, I'll tell you what to do next. I'll pause it. Then it's gonna be loading like this, loading packages, and you just wait. Alright, then you see where it says Subway Surface up the top, click that. Then you're gonna go not to the first line, the second, but the third. And then you go to create whatever app file. Click not the one, not the two, the third one. And press rebuild the app. And you just wait for a while. So guys, I'm gonna pause it and gonna go straight when it's done streaming. Gonna say next when it's done, when it's downloading. So guys, if you want it to work, do not press home. Do not leave it there. Like when it says it's loading, so don't touch nothing, or then it'll go away. You have to redo it again. So see you when it's done. So hey guys, I'm back. This is what's gonna look when it's done loading and everything. So what you wanna click is that OK. Don't press OK. Press go to file. So if you want it to work, please follow all these steps. So go to Subway Surface. The 1740B, that what it says. Now what you want to do is uninstall and install the second line. stuff. You can get unlimited coins for free. Hurry up! What is taking this so long? Open. Alright, I'll show you what's... Whoa. Looks like this. Alright guys, I'll show you what's going on next. Wait. Alright guys, I'm back. So it says when I was born. So I think let me put let me see. June. Today's August 2000. That's not actually my road, so I just want to put in see they give me a gift. So 2000. Bro, let's play it. I want to get this over with to see the coins, the getting free coins. Alright, I'm just gonna die. Dude, that looks so cool, right? The thing. Let me die real quick. Alright. Alright. Alright, I died. What a high score. Someone can beat that easily. Alright, go home. Alright, go to sell. Now, oh my god. Alright, go to the store. So you see this stack of coins, 5 chests of coins, 5,000 coins, chests of coins. Look. So you wanna, I think you wanna auto repeat settings, yeah. Oh, getting free legit. So let's say I want to get 40 keys. You have to press auto repeat purchase with current settings. You have to press that. There's only 2 of the coins I haven't got. Like, oh, see, I haven't touched that one. The hack of keys 110. I haven't touched it, so it's gonna say the 3 things again. See, press auto repeat, something like that. And that. And remember, you can also get, you know, the sell, something's on sale. So you see this, double all coins pickups. I double it. You unlock double. The starter pack. Got it. The pro pack. Got it. The champion pack. I got it. The master pack. I got it. The legend pack. I got it too. I got all the 5 cases. Let's see what else you can get. 650 keys. Give me that money, 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 money. Let it rain. Let it rain. Let it rain. Now we can buy anything we want. Oh my god. Guys, I'll be back. Wait a minute. So hey guys, I'm back. See? I want to get that Lee. Let's get it. I got a gift. I can spend it all I want to boards. This one. Should I get it? Yup, sure I should. Damn, bro. Alright, guys. So that will be the end of the video. If you like, leave a like on this video. Comment down. And turn on notification. And don't forget to subscribe, guys. My next video will be getting free coins and gems on Shark. Something, highways and something, I don't know. Alright. See you guys. Peace.